Today we will be dissecting the rat.
With me, I will be explaining
Elliot and Zach. So we're gonna start with snipping off the tail so it doesn't get in our way.
the tail gets in.
We're gonna get the ears and eyes out. So to get the
ears out, you just fold it up, just kind of snip right under. Make sure you don't go too deep, but you want to lift it up so you can get clean cut. Okay, I'm gonna cut off the other ear and doing the same thing.
Oh yes, you would rather.
So now we have both the ears out.
now for the eyes, you're gonna want to take your poker and then
Cut
stab it.
right in, stab, and then go at an angle so you can kind of dislodge it. You want to wedge it.
Want to set it fly.
You want to wedge it, but you don't want to have it fly all over. So have it angled down so the eyeball doesn't fly across the room. So that's not good.
Okay, that is the.
Then pop out the other eye.
That's just the eyelid that's hanging out. Kind of came out.
No, a little bit came out.
There it is.
There it is.
Okay, so those are your eye lenses. Those right there. Okay. Now you're gonna want to flip it onto its back and make sure these are out. Take your scissors. Okay, once you cut into this, you're gonna want to cut to the shoulders, and that's gonna bring you. There's gonna be a lot of juices in here, so you're gonna have to empty that out.
So we're gonna have to empty the juices all out because they get.
So right around the shoulders, you're gonna want to cut diagonally. And you want to do that at the legs as well.
So it makes
Cut, you should be able to just
get
peel it up.
tweezers and peel it.
These are the ears up here, and these are the eye lenses. You're gonna want to put those on your sheet. Okay, so once you get that, you're gonna want to peel up the muscle. You want to cut into it and then peel it up. And as you can see, as I'm starting to cut this, you can see the juices
You're definitely
inside
gonna need to dump that.
with blood tissue and stuff. So I'm gonna dump this out. This is what it should look like right now. We'll be right back. Okay, we are back. We've drained it. After you drain it, you can kind of open this up a little bit more. And this right here, we believe is the liver.
It's abnormally large. Normally the liver is a lot smaller.
Our practice liver was way smaller than this. So what you're gonna want to do is just pick this up, and you can see usually other animals have like a gallbladder underneath the liver, but as you can
Rats
see,
do not have.
the rats do not have gallbladders, as you can see. I'm gonna put this little bit of muscle up here. Okay, this is the rib cage, so you're gonna want to cut like in the middle and break the bones. Just crack right through. Make sure not to go too deep because you don't want to puncture the heart or the lungs. The liver is kind of in different sections. You can kind of just
There's different parts.
you can see how it's like split there and like here. So we're gonna dump this. We're gonna drain this a little bit. Okay, so after draining it again, there's very little juices left in here, so we should be able to just cut off everything here that is holding it together. Okay, so that's part of the liver right there.
It's tough to get the entire piece, so just go piece by piece.
It's connected to the sacrum,
Connected to the sacrum, is
small intestine.
small intestine.
And then connected to the other side of the sacrum, if you just follow it around, there's the large intestine. Right underneath the liver is where you will find the stomach, which is right here is the stomach.
The spleen is more under the stomach.
Yep, right here's the spleen. It's a finger-like thing that wraps around the stomach.
Yeah, it wraps around the stomach.
And you might not be able to see this, but there is a little bit of yellow right here. That is what is left of the pancreas.
The pancreas doesn't preserve very well, so when it dies, it kind of mushes out.
Yeah, here, this is the sacrum. We are going to cut this off. So
Enough right from
there's
right where the small intestine is actually.
You can see that it's kind of got like two exits. There's one that comes in on this side and then one that comes out here. This one connects to the large intestine, I believe. It's hard to tell with this all pumped up. But all you need to know is that one connects to the large intestine and one connects to the small intestine. So we will cut off the cecum. Right there, cecum.
It's just like
This right here, all of this mess of organs is the small intestine. So you just kind of see where it's connected to the large intestine. You just want to snip right there. And then find where the stomach is and snip right there.
because everything in this is connected, so we're just trying to not connected. Just kind of get it apart.
Okay. This right here, you can see that it's got like a yellow tint to it. That is the pancreas. That is kind of hard to get out, so you don't really need to put that on your part sheet. But this is the small intestine. Okay, the stomach processes the food, gets it processes it for the small intestine. It is right underneath the liver and in front of the diaphragm, which we will get to pretty soon. This right here is the diaphragm. We'll get to that soon.
And the spleen kind of wraps around.
Okay, I'm going to cut a little deeper here so you can see what we're going to do down here. It's kind of hard because the leg is in the way. Okay, so if you can see down here, you have the large intestine right here. This is the large intestine. You can kind of just peel that up off the tissue. And then put it right there at the end. That is the large intestine. Let me get this leg out of the way. Okay, so this right here, this bean-like thing is the kidney.
My kidneys, they're...
Wait, no, that's the large intestine. This is the kidney right here.
The kidneys are located toward the back and on either side of the spine.
So these just kind of want to get under and peel up from the tissue. Okay. Go ahead and cut this. It is connected between some arteries, veins, things there. This bean-shaped thing is the kidney right here. You want to take out both kidneys. This is the other kidney right here, and you can do the same thing. Just get under the kidney and pull it up. Spleen, my bad. I said the wrong thing. Okay.
The spleen again is just like a finger-like.
You can kind of see the yellow stuff a little bit better right there. That is, again, the pancreas. So you kind of just want to cut this, cut the tissue off, and it just kind of peels right off. This is the spleen. It's a finger-like thing that's connected around the stomach. It was kind of a mess. Okay, so before we get to the diaphragm and the lung and the heart, we are going to, which is what this is. Can you explain about the stomach a little bit, Zach? Okay, so now we are going to move on to the testes. Testes are down here by the tail. If you have a female, you will have ovaries, and that will be a completely different dissection process. Okay, testes. So what you want to do is you want to find the testes. Okay, you can cut the tail off at the beginning or at this part because it gets in the way of cutting these testes. So I'm going to just peel this open here. I will use the tweezers to peel it open. All of the organs in the rat are very fragile. So the testes. Sometimes they're really close together, like in this one, and other ones they're like in our practice one. That was a pretty easy one to cut into because they were pretty far apart. So I could just cut straight down the middle and get them out. Okay, so we're gonna cut off the skin on the top here, and we're gonna crack through the skull. Oh, I forgot to take out the tongue.
So yeah, now we have to take out the tongue.
So the tongue, it's kind of like an optional part. You can cut the cheeks, or you can just pull it out. Yeah, you can see a little bit of the tongue right there. Just kind of cut the jaw. And just kind of pull it out. And then just cut it as best as you can. There's the tongue. There's a bit of the tongue.
There
you
is.
go. Okay, now we are going to do the brain.
So you just want to cut kind of around that skin.
Right around the back of the ears is where you want to cut. So just right here.
Don't go too deep. But...
Kind of want to cut almost all the way around. So quiet. Okay. It's so wet right there.
Cut. There.
Should be able to be feeling the skull. Now when you cut the skull, make sure you cut it horizontally. Don't cut diagonally or vertically. We're going to cut the skin off there.
I'm practice run. Yeah. Oh.
And you. That is the skull.
Giants.
Sure, let me move this over so you guys can see this.
See the brain a little bit more clear. There it is.
Just try to crack the skull open. Might have to open this back up.
A little bit. Part.
Cut the spine off right there. Okay. And kind of just cut the skull.
So you're gonna go
Skull right open.
kind of down and through. Oh, that's in and just cut it right.
Crack the
Split
skull
it
open.
off.
What's it?
Oh, you can hear. You can kind of hear it. It's cutting right through. Oh. It's gonna be kind of. And just make sure you don't cut too deep.
I don't know if that's the brain or not. I don't think that is.
I think it's just some.
Yep, that's not the brain.
It's kind of like a sandy.
So you can kind of just peel this up and then you will start to see the brain.
Unfortunately, we were not able to find the brain. Here is a picture of it. And that is how you do a rat dissection.